If you are wondering if we have split screen option available on the POCO X8 Pro, then the answer is yes. It is possible to use two apps at the same time. And in order to do so, first we need to open the first app that we want to use in the split screen view. Once you open it, you can go to Recent or Background Apps, and then you can press and hold your finger on the app preview. Over here, we need to find this button over here, like a rectangle that is split into two rectangles. So we can use it in order to activate the split screen view. And then once you turn that on, we need to choose the second app that we want to open in the split screen view. We can go to the home screen and search for an app over here, or in the app drawer as well, of course. So let's say I'm gonna choose the gallery, and there we go. Now I can use both apps at the same time. Of course, so we also have some additional options, like for example, you can tap on these three dots at the top of each app in order to, let's say, switch the sides. You can also switch to the floating window mode. You can return to the full screen. You can also grab by this line that we have between these two apps in order to adjust the split, and you can swipe all the way up or all the way down in order to open one app or another in the full screen again. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.